This is Dave, and we are at, and now we're going to start out at 342.8. Take a ride up and down the down there. I think this is the actual trail instead of going through the cow yard. Had a potential blowout, and found out I was only riding on 17 pounds. I ordered a new tire on Amazon, and so I didn't say it already. It's yeah, today was came in late last night, like 7th there first thing, and then I stopped. Well, I watched plenty of, I guess that's part of the experience, 50 miles, and that was my first. I was going to have a guy come out and do it, but backpack on, and they were walking through the farmer that leases out this property for his cattle right in front of that camera, and it's behind a right up to the camera. I didn't even see it, the camera directly, but gosh, he was only a couple of feet in front of it. We're supposed to be on the other side of that. Oh, you're gonna fall off a bike. You just go to get that all tightened up. In a parking area here. We'll come back in here, I guess, a little later. 6.4 on the battery with me today, just in case. Right down to the train tracks down here. This is a volunteer fire station up here. And the main road up there, that's Highway 301. And we met at the gate at the same time, and he says just leave it open. Tire, even though I got two tires now, I don't know what the thinking is to replace both tires at the same time. We press the turn off for our, and off to the left here, we're going to take this road. Fence up here, that's where the cemetery is. Well, that's going to wrap it up with this one. And there's our campground.